Hey there, finance enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel where we dive deep into the world of personal finance. If you're looking to take control of your financial future, you're in the right place. I've got something exciting for you today. We're going to explore some of the best online courses that can help you master your money. We're diving into the top 5 online personal finance courses that can transform your financial life. These courses are designed to equip you with the knowledge and skills you need to make informed financial decisions. Remember to check out the links in the description below to try each course for yourself. Let's get started. Whether you're a beginner or looking to deepen your financial expertise, there's something here for everyone. First up, we have Financial Peace University by Dave Ramsey. This course is perfect if you want to get out of debt and start saving. It offers a step-by-step plan to help you manage your money better. Dave's no-nonsense approach is both motivating and effective. His principles are straightforward and easy to follow, making it accessible for everyone. It's got a strong community aspect, so you're never alone on your journey. You'll find support and encouragement from others who are on the same path. The only downside? It's a bit pricey, but considering the value it offers, many find it worth the investment. But hey, can you really put a price tag on financial freedom? Imagine the peace of mind you'll have once you're debt-free and financially secure. Next on the list is the Personal and Family Financial Planning course offered by the University of Illinois. This course is fantastic for beginners who are just starting their financial journey. This course is fantastic for beginners. It breaks down complex financial concepts into easy-to-understand lessons. It's free, and it covers all the basics: budgeting, saving, investing, and more. You'll get a solid foundation in personal finance without spending a dime. The best part? You can complete it at your own pace. This flexibility allows you to learn whenever it fits into your schedule. However, because it's so broad, you might find it lacking in depth. If you're looking for more advanced topics, you might need to supplement your learning with additional resources. Third, we have the Financial Analyst certification by Corporate Finance Institute. If you're aiming for a career in finance, this one's for you. It's designed to give you the skills needed to excel in the finance industry. It dives deep into financial analysis, Excel, and even a bit of accounting. You'll learn how to analyze financial statements and use Excel for financial modeling. It's super affordable and often on sale. You can get a high-quality education without breaking the bank. The downside? It's not beginner-friendly. You'll need some basic knowledge before you jump in. But if you're up for the challenge, it's a great way to advance your career. You'll need some basic knowledge before you jump in. But if you're up for the challenge, it's a great way to advance your career. Coming in fourth is the Personal Finance course by Purdue University. This course is well-rounded and covers everything from credit scores to retirement planning. It's a comprehensive guide to managing your personal finances. This course is well-rounded and covers everything from credit scores to retirement planning. You'll learn how to build and maintain a good credit score, plan for retirement, and more. It's free to audit, but you can pay for a certificate if you want that extra boost for your resume. A certificate can add value to your professional profile. The only catch? The content can be quite dense and academic. It might require more effort to get through, but the knowledge you'll gain is invaluable. Finally, we've got the Smart Women Finish Rich course by David Bach. This one's tailored for women, but anyone can benefit from its wisdom. It focuses on empowering women to take control of their financial future. It focuses on practical, actionable steps to build wealth and live a rich life. You'll learn strategies to grow your wealth and achieve financial independence. The course includes worksheets and tools to help you stay on track. These resources are designed to make the learning process interactive and engaging. The only negative? It can feel a bit dated at times. Some of the content might not reflect the latest financial trends, but the core principles are timeless. So there you have it. The top 5 online personal finance courses that can help you master your money. Each course offers unique benefits and caters to different needs. Don't forget to check out the links in the description to try them out for yourself. Investing in your financial education is one of the best decisions you can make. Which one caught your eye? Are you ready to take the next step in your financial journey? Leave a comment below and let me know. I'd love to hear your thoughts and experiences with these courses. And if you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more finance tips and reviews. Your support helps us create more valuable content for you. Until next time, keep learning, and stay financially savvy. Remember, the journey to financial freedom starts with a single step.